In this step, we will face the part. A facing toolpath quickly removes material from the top of the part to create an even surface for future operations. From the 2D group, select Face. When the chaining dialog box appears, choose the OK button to use the defined stock and exit the chaining dialog box. Select Tool from the Tree View list. Click on the Select Library Tool button. And to be able to see all of the tools in the library, disable Filter Active. Select the 2-inch face mill. And press OK. Enter the comment, face the top of the part. Entering a comment helps to identify the toolpath in the Toolpaths Manager and locate this section in the G-code. Note that the feed rate, plunge rate, retract rate, and spindle speed are based on the tool definition as set in the tool settings. You may change these values as per your part, material, and tools, but we will leave these as the default value. If you accidentally click the OK button before finishing the toolpath setup, the toolpath will be generated without all of the parameters set properly. To return and set the parameters, click on Parameters in the Toolpaths Manager. Select Cut Parameters. Change the style to zigzag, change Move Between Cuts to high-speed loops, and set the stock to leave on floors to 0. Zigzag creates a back and forth cutting motion. Move Between Cuts determines how the tool moves between each cut. This is only available if you select the zigzag cutting method. High-speed loops will create 180-degree arcs between each cut. Click on Linking Parameters. Enable clearance and make sure it's set to 2 absolute. Ensure retract is enabled and set to 0.25 absolute. For depth, set it to 0 absolute. Clearance sets the height at which the tool moves to and from the part. Retract sets the height to which the tool moves up before the next tool pass. Feed plane sets the height to which the tool rapids before changing to the plunge rate to enter the part. Top of stock sets the height of the material in the Z-axis. Depth determines the final machining depth the tool descends into the stock. Top of stock is set to 0.1 because the stock origin was set to 0.1 inch above the origin. The depth is set to 0 because this is the finish depth. The majority of the values are set to absolute, which is measured from Z0, which is set at the top of the finished part. Feed plane set to incremental is measured from the top of the stock. To preview the toolpath, click the Preview Toolpath icon. To hide the dialog box, click the Hide Dialog icon as shown. If the toolpath here does not match what is on your screen, check your parameters again. Press Escape. Then press OK to generate the toolpath. Because I completed the toolpath earlier, then went back and modified it, the toolpath is now dirty and needs to be regenerated. Click on Regenerate All Dirty Operations. Change your view back to top and toggle the display of the toolpath off.